Hey guys, next 10 minutes I'm gonna show you exactly how to generate professional level photos using AI. So first step is to go create AI. You're gonna log in and then click train right here. So when you click train, we're gonna start to train our avatars. Number one task for us to make sure AI knows our face and we can use our face to generate any images of us whatsoever. You're gonna click image here and click flux, right? So this is the best model for training at this moment. Then you're gonna upload the images. So tips for images, 15 to 30 images, different angles, different styles. Make sure you wear different clothing. Ideally, not no accessories on the eyes like glasses, no hats. Just different images of you. Make sure everything's high quality, and you can even upload up to 50. And if you're gonna have some kind of images with like swimsuits or something, you want to make sure you have like full body images as well as just your face, to make sure AI knows exactly how you look and can generate accurate image of you. Here are some of the images of me. You can see number of images good, average resolution is good. You're gonna click on the settings button right here. Make sure you select character training and make sure you go all the way up to like around 400 is good. You can right here, I'm going to show you in the future, you can generate the style as well and the object. So if you have a product or e-commerce brand or retail store, you can train AI on specific product and use that product on different models, different settings, different everything. So it's absolutely amazing for brands. So next, we're just going to click train image right here and wait till it's done. Boom, this is our character training right here. You're gonna wanna check these images, these four that generated, to make sure they're like good, right? You don't have any weirdness going on with the hands. There are no five fingers. There is no weird like three legs or anything. So if these kind of look good, that means I got you and it looks good. So you can continue on to generating images directly. And to do this, you're just gonna click image right here, and boom, you are in the image model, in the image training model. So first of all, I wanna show you guys how to generate images without your face. They're gonna be really cool and high quality using prompts. So this is kind of what I generated. One of the styles that you saw in my videos are really cool neon, like cool kind of look. This is where it's coming from. It's coming from this prompt that I wrote, and you can see like you can change the prompt very easily. Like I didn't like the color of the skin here. I thought it was too dark, so I kind of just changed the prompt a little bit to generate a lot better skin color, which is more to my liking, right? And to start writing this prompt, I wanted to break down the structure with you guys. And here's the prompt. So first of all, it's very easy when you start using it. You kind of start understanding how the prompting works and how the structure works, and you can follow it in anything you actually want to do moving forward for your brand. So short type, close up, fashion portrait from waist up. And you can see different keywords that you can use to play around with this and start using it. So tight framing, emphasizes face and upper body, fashion portrait from waist up. So these are different keywords. You can use subject and setting. Glamorous model on the sunny beach. That obviously we know that. So hairstyle and descriptor, platinum blonde, bob haircut. Specific iconic, give style age without ambiguity. So what works. So purpose, structure again. So we have different accessories here. We have outfit detail, which is main piece. So we kind of explaining what we want to see exactly on the picture. And I'm gonna actually leave this prompt right below the video so you can start using it, play around with this, and see if it works for you. So next thing is what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna use this style to generate more images of the style, and then like I showed you before, you can actually train Krea AI in terms of having the style specifically, not just the character. So you're not training on your face, but training on overall the style and the look of the images. That's what I did in my in my video, right, where I had lots of pictures in the same look and style but completely different accessories and completely different outfits. So to do that, it's very easy. You actually just copy this prompt you had and then go to ChatGPT and then ask it to change the prompt. So what I'm saying is write the prompt in the same style but showing a castle now. So that's it. So we are actually asking it to do the work for us. Here it is. You just copy, paste, go back here, paste, and this is the castle, right? This is the castle that came up with. I don't love it, but I think it's great. It's still much in the style. But the car here, I absolutely love. So I did the same thing. I just said do the same for the car, like so stupid and easy, but this is what it is. Like you, when you get your style once, when you generate once with a prompt and something that you really love, it's very easy to ask ChatGPT to help you to generate more of that same format and style. And car looks outstanding, you guys. I don't know, I absolutely love this. The colors obviously matching our outfits and looks really good. So next, something I forgot to mention right away is actually the model, right? So Korea One, Flux Contacts Pro, different models. There's a lot more models here, but we're just gonna use these three for now. So what we did is we trained our avatar and Flux model, right? That's what you saw in the beginning. What we're doing here is we actually using Flux Contacts Pro. This is the best model for cool generations like this. They're gonna be more high quality. They're not using your face, but they're gonna be a lot more detailed and a lot more better understanding of your prompt and what you wanna do. So this was all in Flux Contacts Pro. Now what we're looking at here is actually Korea One model in raw format. So this is obviously very different, right? There's a lot more glam here, a lot more decor, and if you like this, how cool this is, but you maybe don't like how the skin looks, there is a way to enhance the skin to make it super natural looking. Never anybody is going to be able to guess that this is AI. But if you want super like raw look, almost like old style, Korea One is the best model. It's actually still in beta, but it's really good to generate in images like this where you can really be almost like yourself, in your real life, but just wearing anything you want and being anywhere you want. So this is the sample of exactly the same prompt in different model. You can see both models seeing things very differently from each other. And the next step is to get our face on these images, right? Which is gonna be super fun. So what we actually gonna do is we're gonna save the picture we liked. Like I already did. I just click download here and it saves to your folder. I already saved that. And we're gonna start a new session and then select the style first. You're gonna click your avatar, right? The one that actually generated. Then you're gonna find the image prompt. When you click on it, it opens up your images. You can select the one you liked and add it right here. That's it. It is adding, and make sure you go all the way up to like 1, right? You want to make sure. So with your face, you can actually, depending on how similar your model is, like if your model is very different from what you actually are, you're likely gonna need to go back to all the way to the 1 as well. But if your model is kind of similar looking, there is a way to like kind of blend and blend a little bit. It's still gonna look exactly like you, but you might wanna go to like 0.9 or 0.8, even try different settings and see how you like it, how it looks. So what I do with the face, I actually only use Korea One most of the time. So Flux is really a lot of that like dull kind of fake AI look still, and it requires quite a lot of work afterwards to get rid of it. But with Korea One, you actually don't need to do anything. You just click on 4K, click on the format you want to pick. So, right, if you're doing like Reels 2x3 or like Stories 9x16, and you just click Generate. And you can see now right here, it actually did almost generate, still generating, but it looks great. I mean, it looks like pretty natural. There's no issues here with avatar. Avatar looks great. Outfit's a little bit off, but I mean, I think it's okay. It looks good overall. And we are not, remember, we did not train for object. So if you train for the object, your outfit's gonna look the same every time. And let me show you, yeah, I think that's gonna be the same thing. So pretty easy here. And what you can do actually to pick any image you want, right? So if you, as you can see how we did it, like we just add image prompt here to the image and didn't write anything down. That's the same way you can do for anything you find. So this is, for example, what I saw on Pinterest. I just went on Pinterest, updated the thing, and it's given me a lot of different inspiration. And you can do it in any place you're actually looking for inspiration, whether it's Instagram, Pinterest, somewhere else online. So yeah, if you wanna get the picture like this, for example, you know, you all you do is save image as, right click, save image. You don't even need to save image. Sorry. So you copy image right here. You go back to Korea. You remove image prompt you have. You add the new prompt. It's uploading right here. You go all the way up and then you click generate. And then here we go. This is the image of kind of the person we picked. You can see the same clothing, the same kind of hair. It looks very, very similar, and it's very easy to do. Yeah, and obviously these images look pretty great here, right? So like even face expressions look a bit different, and I think I did another few when I just found one on Pinterest and very quickly copy paste, and it's ready. Like you can see all different images with different haircuts. You can try different outfits. You can do anything pretty much and see how it's gonna look on you. So, and again, this works for your brand as well perfectly. So if you want to model stuff, if you want to just use like instead of stock pictures and getting photo shoots, you can actually just take this and get the images you're gonna use on your website and then your branding. Last thing I have is covering the pro tips for raw mode generation, lighting, and angles. So if you come back to the original prompt, you can see here I'm doing some crazy stuff, and this is pretty amazing because like, how would you guess? This looks like cinematography. This um, does not look like just AI at all. You know, it uses different angles, different kind of outfits, and funniest thing again, you can see different models see things so differently. The same exact same prompt for Korea One and Flux, and you get very different look and mood and outfit. So these are high level prompts. They're like a lot harder to learn. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually leaving you guys this prompt exactly how breakdown of the structure of this prompt. So you can see how to use angles and how to kind of play around with this, see if you understand this. And you can see like warm's eye view, futuristic fashion model, key techniques used. You can really it's breaking it down for you to fully understand what each technique means. Then what do we have? Yeah, surreal sculpture pressing into the lens. So the distortion and foreground dominance details and fashion description. You know what she wearing: pastel pink and blue jacket, high neckline. Um, then we have gestures, background environment, light and mood, which is great. So flashlight shadows, blowout highlights, and all of this is ChatGPT is gonna help you. So if you just understand the structure and kind of understand how to tell ChatGPT what exactly you want, if you have something in your head, you don't have the reference images of this, you you can really use this structure to explain to ChatGPT what exactly you want, and it's gonna give you the prompt like this that you can just pass and get the cool images like this. All right, let me know if you found this helpful. Please comment below and yeah, follow me, subscribe. I'd love to chat. I'd love to hear your opinion, you guys. And yeah, I'll talk soon. In next videos, I'm gonna actually show you how to generate extremely like natural looking skin that nobody ever gonna guess it's AI. And we also gonna have a lot more training coming up.